Here I come with the goods, I've got the goods. CT carbon. We got a lot of carbon to fit. We got front splitters, side splitters, rear spoiler, diffuser, wing mirror caps. I'm just gonna go and get the side skirts now. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We are fitting carbon fibre to the M3. Probably make it look worse. I love ruining cars. Fun. So there are my side skirts. Is there any where's the self tappers? What am I meant to screw them in with my teeth? Is there any bolts? There's plastic trim. Maybe the bolts to that, I don't know. Might do. Oh God, I got a headache. I shouldn't go out drinking. This ain't the day for being down here. I feel dizzy. Now let's move the car over. Oh, because I need to get to the whole car. Oh, I love this car. Right, let's move it over. Move it over. Oh, tunes. Right, what we're going to do first, I might do a spoiler. This is a machine. I love it. Let's tape around this spoiler so I don't cut into my boot. I can't even see straight. I'm struggling to even see what I'm doing. This ain't the day to be working on a car right now when I'm hanging. But I need to make a video for you boys and girls. That's why I'm not working on the Golf today, because I haven't got it in me. My head's banging. I don't even want to do this. My masking skills are not the best, but as long as the paint's protected, I don't give a crap. Don't ask me to do masking taping for anybody, because I can't do it in a straight line. What's going on here? So let's just put it in.
That's not a straight line, is that?
How can it be a straight line when it's on a bend? It's on a bend, isn't it? I just haven't got the functions of a human today. £12 fishing wire. Thieves, mate, thieves. Fishing wire is the one though. It's the one to use. Does that cut through it? No, not even a knife could get through this. Okay, now. He said it was strong. Okay, now I didn't know it was this strong. Not strong enough for me, obviously. Right, do I double it or yeah? Do I go like that? He said it's strong, so let's see. Oh, straight through. I need gloves. Back in 2 seconds because that's going to cut my hands open. Let's go back through the other way. And then this should come off now. Boop. There we go, 1 M3 little spoiler off. Take this tape off. Abby's going to clean this. She's going to get this off. She loves that. Oh, it's quite easy actually, look. Put some of these on, it helps. It won't hit your fingers in. Just try and get that off and then we'll clean that. And then I'll be ready to stick the new one on. I've had enough of this. You can get a little wheel thing that on a drill that goes buzz, and you just buzz that off. I forgot what it's called. It's like a little creamy yellow looking wheel thing. I'm literally scrubbing to death. How long have we been doing this for, Abby? Half hour?
Just to get rid of the wall.
Tried hot water, we tried WD-40, that's what things recommend. I don't really fancy trying anything else because I don't want to wreck the paint. So we're just going to do this. It's coming off. It'll be off for about 10 years. Soapy water, polish. I'll get it off. I have subjected Abby to slavery. You get that off there, please. Scrub it. Hey? Scrub it now. Get it off my car. We're just gonna go for it. Ideally, I'd like to put some sealant on this, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna bond it on with these. This is what they supply. So what's going on with. So it was held on with tape anyway, so once it dries, it should be a sweet. I don't do very fast speeds anyway. Okay, that's where it's going. Carbon fibre. Clean down here where it's going to stick. Sticky, 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 sticky. Lovely. We're going to be fitting the diffuser now. rear carbon diffuser. So it bolts to the original bolts underneath by the looks, 4 of them, and then there's tape to go on the top here, so I'm just cleaning the top bit where the tape's going to sit. I normally I'd use like a surgical spirit, proper clean the surface, but I haven't got any left, so soap and water will do the trick. So that's that. Right, let me undo these bolts I need to undo, and then I can stick that on. What size do they look like? 10s maybe? This is a chilled out day, this. We're having a chilled out M3 day. Nope, small one. Oh, I'm stuck. A chilled out M3 day, innit, Abby? You love it, don't you? You love being my camera lady. All them perks you get being my camera lady. Love. You get the love from the Hickster. Let's get these bolts out. Rusty as anything. There's one. I hope everything goes well on this car today, because my head can't handle the torture. How am I going to do this? Do I bolt it on first, then stick it? Or do I just stick it? Let's have a look. Let's see where it fits. How am I supposed to do this? Like, so once I bolt these, I'm not going to be able to. I have to do the tape now, aren't I? I'm going to have to tape it into position. Don't line up very well, this. Not impressed. So here we have the diffuser on. I ain't gonna lie, it is not the best fit. I've lined up all this part where it's meant to sit with the tape, and 2 of the holes don't really line up well. They've gone in, but when they go in, it pulls this piece off, which is not the best really. So for now, it's all bolted in. I've stuck masking tape here just to hopefully hold this up to stick it all on. That's what the plan is anyway. I guarantee as soon as this tape comes off, it'll probably pull off all this. Can't fit the side skirts. They haven't given me self-tappers, so it's not looking good, is it? Unless they're in here. These are going to be for the front though. So we've got nuts and bolts. They're going to be for the front then, aren't they? There's not enough nuts and bolts. There's not enough there for side skirts. How many holes are there? 1, 2, 8. Yeah, definitely not. These are for the front. So I can't fit the side ones because I haven't got any self-tappers. Brilliant. Where are you going?
Halfords.
What for?
Self-tappers.
Yeah, because they haven't given me them. She's going to Halfords to get self-tappers, so to fit the side skirts. So we're going to do the mirror covers now. Take a tool like this. Like this. The camera's not focusing for some reason. Take a tool and these just literally pop off, so we're popping that one off and we're going to put the carbon ones on. Carbon fibre mirror caps now on. Really easy, just pop off, pop the new ones on. Now Abby's going to get self-tappers, so we'll move on to the front splitter, which is over here. So we've got lots of carbon on the car now. So we're going to try and get this front splitter on now. Wish me luck. We're still at it, it's dark. It took me about 3 hours to get this front bumper off. All the bolts underneath just span. So I took a pair of snips and did some chopping at the bottom of the bumper. So that's chopped. Now we're putting the splitter on. So I don't know how I'm going to put it back together. Self-tap it in probably. As long as the bumper's on, I don't care. So now I'm putting tape on here. I'm going to put this on so it's in place. Drill holes through all the holes. And then nut and bolt it. And put this back on the car. It's now dark outside. Yeah. Fun. Can't have leaning against stuff and that's gonna wreck it. I'm gonna get scratched to fuck. I just can't lean this bumper anywhere. It's like fucking flimsy shit. Pay 21 bags for 50 bags this was, and it's a fucking shit bumper. It's like a piece of fucking paper. Someone just break off that. It will. nut and bolt it. Because I'm done. I'm such an energetic man this video, isn't I? And that's it on the inside. Is that fitting through there? Oh, you best be joking. So all that drilling and these don't even fit through. Right, they haven't even given me enough nuts and bolts for this. What is in this car? Expensive petroleum! That's looking good, baby. I believe it's the GTS splitter. Don't know what the difference is, but GTS got more cooling or something. We're not going to be able to film this bit because it's pitch black outside. But I'm going to go fit the bumper back to the car now, so we'll pick this up once it's in the morning, basically, and I'll show you everything I've done. Only thing I'm not really happy with at the minute is the rear diffuser. It doesn't really sit very nice, so I'm going to have to get some Tiger Seal, and where it's lifting off the back of the bumper, I'm going to Tiger Seal it and then mask it so it sticks, then it'll be alright then. It's just a bit, I don't know, it's not moulding correctly. Right, let's put this back on. Right guys, that's drying. Hopefully it holds. I'll tell you in the next video. We do have lowering springs and wheel spacers coming for the M3. That'll be here Monday, so hopefully, won't be next weekend, maybe the weekend after, we'll get this lowered. I've still got loads to do on the Golf. I'm not gonna lie, I can't be bothered at the minute. I'm a bit knackered, can't be bothered. So that'll be done whenever it's done. But we're working on the M3 a bit at the minute. So there's going to be springs and spacers coming. But yeah, we've fit a full carbon kit today. Yeah, it looks alright. I think I've done an alright job. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Comment what you think of the kit. I'm not very impressed with the back kit, the back diffuser, I'm not going to lie, the way it fits. But nothing I can really do. Hopefully this bond will hold it. If not, I'll take it off and throw it in a bin. It's a waste of 400 quid. So, yeah. Catch you next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.